Alright, it's time to check the gardens. We have the DWC that's still in cruise control, and we have seedlings that are starting to pop up. But first, a shout out to the sponsors of the video. Mars Hydro. With the grower in mind, they have everything you need to get your garden growing. Don't forget to check out, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. And Seedsman. With genetics from all over the world, they have something for everybody. Use my promo code PRG10 and save yourself 10% off your order. Alright, let's check out the gardens. Alright, Egg Night Day 32. They are just looking absolutely gorgeous right now. The color is on point. The plants are just looking so healthy right now. Now I did have a couple of people in the comments a couple of videos ago saying that something looked wrong with them, and they never really said what. So I'm kind of curious as to what they're seeing, and I would like to know, if there is something wrong. I don't think there's something wrong. They look great to me, but this is my first time doing DWC, so I could be missing something. I don't know. So I've been coming in every day, bending them down. Actually, I'm gonna have to give them another cleaning again. Look how bushy they already got just from the last cleaning. I've been bending them down, still super cropping them every day. But every day I come back in and they're popped right back up. So I gotta do it again. So I've been doing that all week, and I'll continue to do it until probably almost until we get ready to flip the flower, which I think we'll be doing soon, because I don't want them to get too big in here, because we only got so much room under the VG80 for these girls to grow. But I do have to say I am pretty impressed with DWC so far. I'm pretty sure it's something I'm going to keep within my garden rotation. Who knows, maybe down in the future I'll expand on it, you never know, right? But for now I'm going to keep this in my rotation, and yeah, we're going to keep rolling with it and see how it goes. The temps have been pretty steady. They've been hanging around 75, 78, somewhere around there, depending on the time of the day. As you can see, I took the humidifier out. My humidity now has been sitting around 60, 65, and that's without the humidifier. So right now the humidity in my house is pretty high. So if you look and we compare what the girls are drinking, this one is all the way down here, and this one is still way up here. So this one is drinking way more than that one right now. Alright, so that's it for in here. Let's go check on the seedlings and we'll see how they're doing. Alright, they finally popped above the soil, and they are looking not too bad right now under the Mars Hydro TS1000. This one I wasn't too sure what was going to happen with this one. I came in one morning and it was leaning right over. It was flat. I thought it was dead. So I propped it up. That's when I added the heater and also the humidifier. And ever since then it's been doing alright. It's standing on its own and it's looking not too bad. As you can see, I raised up my light again. I think that was kind of part of the problem. I don't really know why it would be part of the problem, but I just think it was. Ever since I raised it up, they're looking better, and they're standing up on their own, and yeah, they're looking great right now. I don't know, man. I just felt like I was struggling with my germinating this time. Mind you, it's been about a year since I actually popped some seeds. I popped my seeds last year for the summer that just went by, and that was for all the clones and all for my summer grow that I was getting ready. So I bought the seeds, and then it was clone. I cloned all the way till the summertime. I kind of got out of routine with popping seeds, and I kind of forgot a couple of things, and so the seed popping was a little bit slow this year. So when I was thinking that these were going to be popping, I was getting a little bit frustrated, and I ended up doing this. I ended up popping 8 more seeds, and most of them have already popped. Let's have a look. This one's popped. That one's there, you can barely see it. That one's popped. I think this is the only one that hasn't popped yet. There we go. There we go. There we go. And this one just popped up. You can just barely see it. So I've been watering with this turkey baster, and that's all I've been doing is taking one shot of this and then putting it around the seed. Well, when they hadn't popped yet, I was putting it right on the seed, but now that they popped, I'm going around it, try and get it expand a little bit, get the roots to reach out a bit for the moisture. So I've been coming in about twice a day doing that with the turkey baster. Now, as you can see, I added the humidifier over here. I figure it's a little bit more important to have the humidity up over here with the seedlings than with the bigger plants over there right now. It's time to get the humidity down with the bigger plants, and that's what we're going to do. As you can see, I only filled the pots about half, well, it's not quite, a little bit over halfway. I know the seeds are going to stretch, so That way I'll be able to put extra soil in to help prop them up once they do stretch. Because if you fill all the way to the top, you got no room to put the extra soil. Got a heater in here as well. My temps have been pretty similar to the 2x2. They've been hovering around 78, 80, and my humidity's been pretty good in here. I had it up around 80, 85. So of course now with all these seeds popping, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them all. I'm not gonna have enough room for them all. I might have to give some away to some friends, so we'll see. That was, I don't know. Like I said, I was out of my routine for germinating, and I was just getting frustrated, and finally I just said, screw it, let's just do it again. Let's just do it. So, we're doing it. Don't forget, all genetics provided by seedsmen. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.